Hola y bienvenido a mi canal. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we're gonna cover everything that you need to know to be able to read in Spanish like a Spanish native speaker. So let's get started.
The alphabet has 27 letters, and we're gonna have a closer look at the special combination of letters which are SH, double L, double L, and double R, double R. Now, Spanish alphabet, just like English alphabet, starts with the letter A, and it's always pronounced as the sound A. Now, let's have a look at the examples. Mamma, papa, alcohol. Remember, don't ever pronounce this letter as E. It's always pronounced as a wide sound A. Mamma, papa, alcohol. Letter B, B, is pronounced as B in examples of bueno, biblioteca, bailarina, or it has a B sound. This is in examples of abuela, sabor, hablar. Se can be either pronounced as K or S. Let's have a look in the examples of when it is pronounced as K sound. Café, concierto, Carolina. Also sound S in examples of cine, celebre, concierto. Let's the combination. So in the combination of letter with E and E, se, si, the letter S is pronounced as S sound. Cine, celebre, concierto. So it happens only in combination with the letters E and E. In combination with letter H, letter is pronounced as Ch sound, like in examples of chica, chocolate, chicle. Let's have a look again at these examples. Chica, chocolate, chicle. Letter D doesn't have any kind of particularities and it's just pronounced as letter D. Como doctor, director, dinero. Letter E is always pronounced as a wide E sound. Como Eva, aeropuerto, enginiero. Let's read again. Eva, aeropuerto, enginiero. Bueno, la letra F it's pronounced as F, and remember, don't ever write the sound F like an English combination with P and H letters. So, letra F, como en flores, fontana, famoso. That's easy one. Letra G, that's where it gets interesting. So letra G can be pronounced as G in examples of gramo, guerra, guitarra. Let's have a look at the orthography. How do I write guitarra? So if I didn't have that U in between the letters G and I, then I would read it like guitarra. But because I have U in between those letters, I can read it as guitarra. So remember, in the combination of letters gue, gui, the letter U is silent, so you never pronounce it. But if you did want it to pronounce an ojo, in the combination of letters gue and gui, when you have two dots over the U, then it's when the U is pronounced. So remember, pinguino, vergüenza, you need to write those dots over the U. Otherwise, you will pronounce this word as pinguino and vergüenza. Okay, can be also pronounced as sound he, like in examples of gitana, gimnasio, generoso. Remember, letter G is only pronounced in combination with letter E and I as sound H. Letra H is a silent letter. Do not ever read letter H in Spanish language. Hola, hermana, hermoso. Don't ever say hola, hermana, hermoso. Letra I is pronounced as I sound in English, como en idioma, India, inglés. Don't ever say idioma, India, or inglés. That will be completely wrong. Letra J is pronounced as H sound, como en Japón, jirafa, Jesús. Let's have a look at this one again. Japón, jirafa, Jesús. Remember, don't ever read it as a J sound in English. Japón, jirafa, Jesus. That's not how you read it in Spanish. Now, letter K, well, this one is quite boring one, so there is no particularities with this one. Letter K is pronounced simply as K sound. Kilogramo, kefir, koala. Letra L is pronounced as L sound. Limón, luna, lámpara. Limón, luna, lámpara. Doble L is pronounced as Y sound, like in llamarse, llueve, llegar. Llamarse, llueve, llegar. Don't ever read it like lamarse, llueve, or llegar. That's completely wrong. Letra M, there's no particularities with this one. Mamá, maestro, mágico, just like an English M letter. Letra N, just like an English one, it's pronounced as N sound, like in niño, negocio, náutico. Niño, negocio, náutico. This one is a bit of a special letter, and it's very particular to Spanish language. It's ñ. Ñ, so it has a sound of ñ, like in español, niñera, niño. Español, niñera y niño. O is pronounced like a wide O sound, como en oficina, oferta, hecho. Oficina, oferta. Letra P is pronounced like P, como papá, piscina, puerto. Papá, piscina, puerto. Letra Q is pronounced like K, just like an English one. In examples, querer, anqueta, eso. Querer, anqueta, eso. Did you notice? Always you write a letter U after the letter Q. So, letra Q always goes in combination with the letter U when we're writing it. And also, it is written only in combination with the letters A and E. Letra R is pronounced as R, Rusia, realidad, restaurante. Rusia, realidad, restaurante. And then the next one is a combination of two R sounds, doble R, like in aburrido, perro, arroz. Aburrido, perro, arroz. S is pronounced like S, sal, Salamanca, Sahara. There's no particularities in this. Letter T is just like in English. Letter T, teléfono, tacos, Taiwan. Teléfono, tacos, Taiwan. Letra U is pronounced like an U sound, como in UNESCO, uvas, Uruguay. UNESCO, uvas, Uruguay. Don't ever say UNESCO, uvas, or Uruguay. Letra V is pronounced as V sound, como en avión, vino, Venezuela. Avión, vino, Venezuela. Y letra W is just like in English. W, kiwi, whiskey, Kuwait. Kiwi, whiskey, Kuwait. X is pronounced as S sound, examen, éxito, taxi. Penúltima letra, and the pre-last one is Y. It's pronounced like Y sound or I. Ayuda, Yemen, kayakismo, or if it's used as a connective, it will be pronounced as I. And the last one is Z. It's always pronounced as S sound, como en zona, zapatos, Zaragoza. Zona, zapatos, Zaragoza. Now, let's have a closer look at the pronunciation rules. First of all, we're going to have again a look at the letter C. Letra C can be pronounced as K sound in combination with letter A, Ka, Canada, in combination with the letter O, Opa, or in combination with the letter U, Cultura. And letra C can be pronounced also as S sound in combination with the letters E and E. Cine, celebre. And the next letter we're going to have a look at is letra G. Letra G can be pronounced as G sound in combination of ga, ge, gi, go, gu, como gato, gora, Gutierrez, as well as in combination of gue and gui, guerra, guia. But have a closer look at how we need to write the word guerra and guia. So in between the letter G and letter E, you can see there is U. What it means that if I don't write this letter U, then I would need to pronounce this word hera or hia, which is incorrect. So remember that the U letter serves for the correct pronunciation of the letter G, and the U letter is silent. Letra G también se puede pronunciar como H, so it can also be pronounced as H sound in combination with letters E and E, he, he, como en gente, gitana, gente, gitana. If I was to write U in between the letters E and E, like guente, guitana, then I would need to pronounce these words as gente and gitana, which would be incorrect. And the last letter we're going to have a closer look at how to pronounce it is letra Q. Letra Q is pronounced as K sound, and it's always written together with letra U. It also only exists with combination with letters E and letter E, like in the examples querer and quise. Querer and quise. Quise is a past tense for the first person of the verb querer. Now, if I want to correctly pronounce the words in Spanish, if I want to correctly read the Spanish, then I need to know where to put stress on the words, how to stress the words correctly. So the first category of the words I'm going to have a look at is palabras agudas. Palabras agudas, you need to stress the first syllable, which is the last syllable in English. If a word ends on a vowel or on a consonant of S or N, then you need to put an accent over the last vowel. Let's have a look at examples. Mamá, papá, avión, país. You can see mamá, papá ends with a vowel, therefore I need to put an accent over the last vowel. Avión, país ends with a consonant N and S, and therefore the last vowel that is accentuated needs to have la tilde, which is an accent. Palabras llanas, you need to stress the second syllable. Second syllable in Spanish language is second to last syllable in English. If palabra llana ends with a consonant that isn't an or as then, it will need an accent in the second to last syllable. So, fútbol, móvil, biblioteca, resumen. You can see the difference. Now, fútbol ends with the consonant L, which obviously is not a consonant S or N, and therefore their second syllable needs to have an accentuated vowel. Biblioteca ends with a vowel, and therefore the second syllable that is accentuated does not need to have an accent. So it doesn't wear la tilde. Resumen ends with a consonant N, which means that the second syllable that is accentuated, that is stressed, does not need to wear an accent. And the last category of words we're going to have a look son palabras esdrújulas. Now, in palabras esdrújulas, you need to stress third syllable. This is third to last syllable in English. And you need to remember that all palabras esdrújulas need an accent. Just like in examples you can see below, análisis, fantástico, número. You can see that the vowel that is stressed always wears la tilde, which is an accent.
Well, that's it for today's lesson. I'm really proud of you that you were able to watch this lesson till the end, and that means that you truly, really want to speak Spanish like a native speaker. Don't forget to put thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment in the comment box below, as well as subscribe so you're not gonna miss your next lesson. Hasta luego! Adios! Bye guys!